So I'm told that you guys are getting bored by Itonga, and the funny part about all of this is that I did say that this show won't last, but nina nangithuka there in the comment section ngitshela ukuthi mina ngikhuluma umpetho aphika mangam manje apha mangam. Let us talk about that and more here on this video, but before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by supporting down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So I'm currently watching teasers of Itonga, and I'm noticing that after a very long time of trying to fit Banele's shoes, Usanele finally realized that he's nothing without Banele and that he needs him in order to run the family business smoothly. I feel like the show is about to get interesting. You guys will remember that the name of the show is Itonga, and on this week's teasers, we saw Banele calling Tsanele into the water. I think you guys know exactly what I'm trying to say here, and if you don't get it, then watch the show on. So what happened is that Ukadla shot and killed Tutul, and by the way guys, we really need to talk about this guy. I know that you guys hate him for his character here on the show, but no man, I think UTK is really killing this role. In fact, for the fact that you guys hate him so much means that he's doing exactly what he's supposed to be doing. So on the recent episode, Gali decided that he's going to shoot and kill Thuli, and after Thuli's death, suddenly realized that no man, I cannot run this construction company by myself, so I'm going to need Banele's help here, which is why we are shown on the teasers that Sanele goes to the construction site and requested to Banele to return. You guys will remember that Sanele told Banele to leave and that he wants to run things his own way now and that he no longer needs Banele's help. But with the pressure that he's getting from Uzama and his family Omagwazo, Sanele realized that he needs to use different strategies to fight Uganda and win back the family business. So, as I've mentioned before, he went to the construction site and seek Banele's help. And as expected, Banele responded, which is what I think we all wanted from the first place. I mean, we all want Omagwaza to conquer and win back their family business. But we also know that so by the look of things, I think these guys, and by these guys I mean Banele and Sanele, will swap bodies again. I saw in the teasers that Banele called Sanele into the water, which could mean that Sanele will come back with a different soul, and that is Banele's soul. But hey, let us watch the show and chat about the rest as more episodes air. So, with all of that being said, do comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen, about the recent developments on Itonga. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So, thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.